It's a video.
Take a video.
Are we?
Wait, let me see.
We're waiting for this today. How long? Oh. British. 5 minutes? The water? Is it just gonna leave us? What do we do? I'm so confused. Are we just high and dumb? What? Kimchi. I won't record you.
So basically, it's gonna be all you can eat, right? $35.95 per person for the all you can eat. It does come with everything on both sides of the menu. These are all the meats that you throw right on the grill. I haven't turned it on yet, but once I take your order, I'm gonna fire it up. So all the meats are here. They come out raw. Appetizers and sushi are also going to be available for you to choose from. Appetizers cooked in the back, sushi made by the chefs, and then we just run it out to you. So for this whole back page, you don't have to worry about the grill at all. Yeah, and then everything is going to be available for you guys to choose from. All the meats, apps, and sushi. The only ones that are not all you can eat are the hand rolls down here. Those are 1 per person, so I can do 3 in total.
Are you dancing to the music? What is it?
It's like a slushy, I think, like a Capri Sun. No, it's a Capri Sun with liquor,
I think so too.
They're gonna be right here with the food for you guys, okay?
Thank you.
I'll suck up the smoke while you guys are cooking. So we can put it all the way low, or we can put it like right here, so it's not too. Can you cook it for like a minute or how long? Yeah, it doesn't take that long. It's like very thin sliced, so it should only take honestly like a minute. Probably not even that long.
What does this song say?
So this one I did, it's beef belly. We have the beef short ribs, beef bulgogi, and I did pork belly as well. I'm gonna get you started off with this one because it's very thin slice, so it cooks the quickest.
Yes?
It always ends up being kind of like a stir fry kind of thing. Because it's so thin sliced that it cooks really quick all the way around. So you don't have to like try to get one side and then get the other or anything like that. You can just sort of bunch it up. So just keep on turning it. Get off the plate.
That one, the ribeye?
This one is marinated short rib.
You do the sound effect. I don't know, cow? Oh no, what did you say?
Marinated what? Marinated short rib, the number 8. Yeah, Dolby. We need to slice anything up. We don't have the we carry any knives. We have the scissors to read Still a little soft. Plus I'm left-handed. I've never been good with scissors. Huh?
Are you good with scissors? No? You've never used scissors?
Okay. Yeah, now it gives us just like another minute probably, and then it should all be cooked. You can also do it where it's a little bit crispy too. It's a little bit fatty. So it's always a little bit good when it's like extra crispy as well. I'll leave this with you guys. Give you guys a second, I'll be right back, okay?
Thank you. Dip the meat in it? You think so, Julie?
Where?
In this stuff?
I was gonna ask somebody there. There probably is.
Look how pretty this is. The bottom. Socket? Socket too.
Let's go.
This.
Where's my spray?
Espérate, déjalo leo.
Yo creo no te oyó.
15% alcohol, la verga.
When I get mad at you, my Mexican mom's side comes down.
Oh, yeah.
What is that?
Está ahí,
It doesn't tell us what anything is.
So these are the ones that are good to eat. I did a soy glazed chicken. It's going to be like a sweet and salty. This one is good. It's a KFC chicken, Korean fried chicken. It's like an orange chicken. It's really good.
Oh, you like orange chicken?
I also did an order of gyozas for you guys. It's chicken and vegetable dumplings.
Favorite.
And then a potato croquette. It's a deep fried, like mashed potato. Nice.
so cute.
You move it?
What do I do? This?
Yeah.
Oh, shit.
I got some money.
Budgeons.
Bottoms up. Oh, it's gonna fuck me up. I don't drink it.
Don't drink all of it. You don't want to. Ready?
It has a weird texture after though.
What?
It literally feels like that. What it looks like.
I have no idea what the hell we're eating, but like Elise said, it's fish.
Chile con tomate. What's our fried potato?
Fried gyoza. It's like these that we had right here.
Oh, yeah.
But they're fried.
My mom does these, but Mexican.
Nice. What's it called again?
Huh?
What are these called again?
I don't remember. Oh, these?
Yeah.
Gyoza.
What is it?
They're dumplings, but it says gyoza.
Can I eat like that?
I think everything's like pickled something, huh?
Try it with that one, with the chicken.
I don't know if it's good or not.
What
is it?
Hey, no, that's my time. What is it?
I'm surprised you're being such an adventurous eater today.
Not even 50. I wouldn't even try that.
You? You're being like super adventurous? You're never
What
that
is
adventurous.
I always eat everything. No, but it's
That's weird. That's like sweet. It's like sweet pudding.
What is that?
That one. We got that one. We got, I think that one. And that one. Thank you.
They change it up. Because el cook quemó todo el disc, el cook.
Alright, ¿verdad?
Let's try that one. You said the garlic calamari, right? Yes, please.
Do you happen to have that like spicy or no, just garlic? Sorry, pero...
Calamari?
Yeah.
No, it comes pre-marinated garlic. I could probably bring some sauce for you though.
Okay, please. Thank you.
I'll be right back, okay?
Thank you.
That smells good. Use the dipping sauce. Oh, okay, you like it spicy. Well, I like the pineapple.
Nice, I love pineapple. Thank you. Go.
Chef Julia.
I know how you've been cooking the whole time.
I like it.
Going back to
look.
his roots. Korean cooking. He misses cooking. What did we say it was yesterday? Square,
Yeah,
huh?
I'm gonna make some of each, so I don't have to cook all of it at once.
Ay, bueno, vas a tirar tu... Sáquechame.
I don't take video or nothing.
I'll send them to you. I have like 10 million.
Those for now?
Damn, excuse me. For black man.
What, all of them?
All of them?
Oh, I want a pineapple.
I'll put it on your... Oh, you want to put it on here?
Yeah,
Marinade?
please. I love pineapple. Do you like pineapple? You don't, huh? Nobody, almost nobody likes pineapple.
You want head off or head on?
Wow. Wow. That is a great question.
Really?
What does that even mean?
Venga, forever. Estás a quemar. I think that thing on the top might be hot. That's the filet mignon?
Yeah.
What the hell's the other thing? Oh, that Hawaiian one, huh? Thank you.
And how do you eat that? Just like that?
Yeah. I've never tried them though, my first time. I'm kind of scared.
Are you scared? Try it. I'll get you trying it.
I don't know how. It's like a sushi, but big.
Like a cone.
Sushi now.
Thank you. Nom 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 nom. This. I hope you like it because he's not a sushi person.
Check it out.
What?
It was like, hey, I remember the time we go. You said that was volcano or on KFC?
Yeah, because that looks darker.
That's
what
already
was
tried.
bomb. Tasty?
Was it about to try too?
This is also very spicy. What is it called? Volcano what?
Volcano chicken?
Volcano chicken.
Extremely hot, dice abajo.
Oh, it's mango habanero or something? What does it say? Extremely hot. Yes, it is. Oh, your eyes are all big.
107. For ultras, damn, that's like a 30 pack in Anthony.
Dude, that's not even anything. Sometimes we'll go to the casino and we'll get 2 beers and it'll be $20.
We'll go once a day to a casino to waste $1,000. And lose it. Hey.
165.
¿Cuánto dice que es el tip?
27. Espérate, ¿cuánto es?
What's the move in the club?
Come on, I don't know what this is for anyway.
Échate un pinche bailongo. Bailongo agregado.
Agrevado.
Oh, is it wrong? No. The blue. Everybody has to bust a move before we leave the restaurant. I picture you like going down all the way low.